Hi reception, welcome back to your set 1 phonics. Let's start off with those speed sounds. E, B, P, O, T, G. They're getting a bit tricky to hold, we've got so many. G, A, A, S, K, I. Well done. And as always, we have another new sound to learn. L, L, L. Well done. This is a stretchy sound, which means it's not bouncy. It's not it's L. Can you practice that with me? L. Well done. And today's picture is of a very long leg. Can you say leg? Leg. Leg. Well done. Okay, we're going to do our flip game. Are you ready? I'm going to try and catch you out today. Well done. Okay, we're going to save our pointing game till the end today. So we've got our L sound, and I wonder what words begin with L. We've already thought of one, which was leg. Leg. Well done. I've got 3 other pictures today. I'm going to start off with this one. This man is holding a red ladder. Ladder. Well done. And I've also got a picture of a big lorry. Can you say lorry? Well done. And I have a picture of a yummy lolly. Can you say lolly? Well done. I don't think we're going to have one of those for a while with all of this snow outside. It's a bit too cold for an ice lolly. Let's just practice those words one more time. Lolly. Lorry. Ladder. Leg. Well done. Lorry and lolly are quite tricky to say together, aren't they? Okay. We are going to move on to our writing now. We are moving speedy this morning. This one is a nice, easy one to write. We've got our lovely long leg to help us. So as always, I'm going to use my magic finger first, and I just want you to listen to the rhyme. Up we go, down the long leg. Can you try it with me? Up we go, down the long leg. Let's do it one more time with our fingers in the air. Up we go, down the long leg. Well done. I'm going to show you how to write it. Up we go, down the long leg. Up we go, down the long leg. One more time, can you say the rhyme with me? Up we go, down the long leg. Fantastic reception. Now I would like you to pause the video and have a go at writing L on your own. Okay, we're going to move on to our green words now. So we're going to just rub off our board, make sure it's nice and clean so that we can concentrate on the green words. We'll turn our sound over. What sound are we looking at? L, well done. Okay, as always, I'm going to pop a card up here and you're going to sound out loud using your Fred fingers first. Then we'll nod it in our head and then we'll say the words at speed. Okay, let's start with this one then. I'm going to show you first how to do it with your Fred fingers. Okay? L, I, P. Can you try it with me? L, This time we're going to do it a bit quicker. Lip. Lip. Well done. Let's try this next one. Are you ready, Fred Fingers? Ready? G. I wonder what that word is. Let's try it a bit quicker so we can hear the sounds blended. G. Log. And our last one, let's have a look at this one. Et. Let's do it a bit quicker again. Et. Let. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to thread in our head and do our nodding. Ready? Let. Lip. Log. Let's do them at speed this time. Don't say the word until I push it forward. Lip. Let. Log. Well done, reception. Give yourselves a pat on the back. That was very speedy words. If you need a little bit more practice, don't worry, you can always rewind the video and practice those green words again. Okay, we're going to move on to our red words now. We've learned quite a lot already, so let's just quickly practice. I'm going to help you today because there's a lot to remember. So are you ready? You're going to say it with me. Of. The. I. Said. You. To. Of. Well done. And we've got 2 new ones to look at today. We will do this one first. Do. 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 Well done. D. Oo. Do. That's a bit funny. Oh, it's because it's a tricky letter. And see, that's why you can't thread a red. You can't sound it out loud because that's not an oo sound, that's an o. But it's a D and an O, which makes a do word. Let's practice it again. Do. Does that remind you of another red word we've done? It makes me think of this one. To and do. So we need to be really careful when we're doing them at speed that we're looking out for the beginning letter. To begins with a T, to. And do begins with a D, a D, do. Okay. And our other red word is was. Again, this does have a very tricky letter. Was. That's not an O, is it? It's an A, but it makes an O sound. Was. I'm going to point to one of them and I want you to tell me which red word it is, whether it's do or was. Are you ready? Was. Do. Do. Was. Well done. Okay, we're going to pop them in with our other ones that we've learnt and just see if we can remember them. I will say them with you, so don't worry. Are we ready? Nice loud voices. To. Do. Of. The. I. Was. Said. You. Well done, reception. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. You've done really well. And I'll see you again tomorrow.